guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup look. And actually my everyday makeup look always changes. I use different products every now and then, so my foundation will be different on this day and it's gonna be different on the next day. So it's not always the same. It's currently 7 a.m. and I haven't eaten breakfast yet, but it's fine. We're gonna head out in a bit anyway. But to start this look, I'm gonna use the Luxe Organic Skin Mattifying Mist. I still have to review this product. This one has tea tree extract. Ooh, so it's really nice to start your face hydrated. And I like using mists if I'm going to skip moisturizers, because sometimes moisturizers feel too heavy for me. So at least my face feel moisturized without the sticky feeling that you get from moisturizer. I like it. It has a light scent and it has tea tree in it, so it's nice. Just pat this dry. By the way, I just did my nails. And as always, I have this allergies from the polygel and the gel products that I use, and they are extremely itchy right now. I don't even know why not a lot of people are complaining about allergies from gel polish or polygels, but they give me this very bad allergies. They're so itchy. So next, I'm gonna use this sunblock. This is one of my favorite sunblocks and super cheap. It's the RDL Sunblock Cream with SPF 15. I actually like this for under makeup. I find that this product works so well for under makeup, so that's what I'm using right now. I use about this much. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This is perfect for everyday, and this is the shade Natural Beige, 220 Natural Beige. Perfect for everyday. It's the perfect color for me. Just a tiny bit. You don't want super full coverage for a daytime look. I am using my AOA sponge. I really like this. Very nice dupe for the beauty blender. See that? Super natural finish, but it really evens out my skin tone. That's why I like this foundation so much. Then I'm going to lightly conceal my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. Ooh, I forgot to put on my nose. I always highlight my nose and my chin. Next, I'm going to set my face with the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Press Powder in the shade Banana. I like this powder because I love my Banana Luxury Powder. Sometimes this is messy to use, so I go for this one. So they have the same color, but this one is a pressed version, so I like this. I like to use this for every day. I use my Banana if I'm gonna bake, but since I'm not gonna bake today, I'm just gonna use the compact one. I don't really overpluck my brows. I mean, they look kind of thin right now, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna fill it in with the brow soap anyway. I think for today, I'm gonna go for the brown one, so you guys can see, because a lot of people are making tutorials about brow soaps, but they use the clear one. For today, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the tinted one. First thing you have to do is to wet your brush. And I don't have a spray bottle with water now. I'm just gonna use the Luxe Organic Skin Mattifying Mist. So I'm just gonna wet my brush with this. Oh, this is the brow soap. I smashed the packaging, which is why it's messy. So this is the shade. This is how much product I have on my brush, and then I'm just gonna brush this up like this. You're gonna wet your brush and then you're gonna like rub this on the brow soap. So since this is tinted, you have to be careful using this because you don't want to get this on your skin. So you're gonna want to wiggle the brush into your hair so that all the hair strands will be coated with the brow soap. And then I'm going to brush them where I want them to go. Some people use body soaps for their brows, and that's where the brow soap started anyway. So this one is specifically made for brows, so it's more lightweight. I'm just gonna wait for this to be slightly dry, and then I'm gonna brush it where I want them to go. So this also works like a tinted brow gel. Coat more. I'm getting some of that on my brows. Now that it's slightly dry, I'm now going to brush it up again. And as you can see, if you wait for this to set, it's a lot harder. The brows are still movable, but because I waited, it has a stronger hold to the brows, so now I can style my brows how I want. So some people use their brow soaps like this. They use the back of the spoolie brush, and then they kind of laminate their brows. So what they do is just push this to your skin, and what this does is you can kind of like stamp your brows on your skin. You guys see that? It's easier to create a bushier brow like this, but I mean it kind of looks weird if you look from the sides, but eventually it's going to rise up again. So at this point, I don't want them to completely stick on my skin because it looks weird, but what I want to do is just bring this hair forward, and maybe I stick it here. And this is almost the same idea as brow lamination, but brow lamination you use a different chemical to keep your brows in that position, but it's so much easier to do this kind of look with a brow soap. See? I haven't even filled it in, but it already looks bushy. Time to go ahead and use the brow pomade. And I have two shades here. I have gray and I have brown. I think I'm gonna go for the gray one. These brow pomades are super pigmented. And these are from a local brand. They are very smudge proof once they're completely dry. Since I already lifted my brows, I can see now where I need to fill in my brows. So I'm just gonna fill in first the sparse areas. And you can see it very clear where I need to fill them in. But I still want to keep some of the gaps on the front since it makes my brows look natural. And then here I need to fill in because I can see it on camera that it looks bald. But you have to follow the natural growth of your brows. So if it goes up, you have to brush up. If it goes left, you have to brush left. So since my brows here grow upwards, I have to flick the brush up like this as well. See how natural it looks with the brow soap and brow pomade. You can actually use a brow pencil for this as well, like a very thin brow pencil, but I've been loving brow pomades lately. And then for the tail of my brows, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I am just trying to follow the natural shape. Still want this to look natural, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get my foundation. Some people use concealer, but I feel like concealer sometimes looks super light on my brow bone and I'm not going for that look. So I'm going to use my concealer brush. This one's from Real Techniques, and then I'm using the Maybelline again. I'm just going to like define my brows under here. And then like I only apply this usually on the tail of my brows. Like I don't even apply on the front. So there you go. It looks extremely natural. It looks like as if I didn't apply any brow product, and that is exactly what I want. For the next step, I'm going to contour my face with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. This palette smells so good. Like every time I open this palette, I suddenly craving for chocolate. I'm just using the medium contour shade to contour my nose. I'm going to use the deep contour on my crease. This is a nice transition shade, you guys. Since this is a natural look, I'm not gonna be applying too much. Okay, then I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line too. I'm gonna be using this light highlight to highlight my brow bone. Use a medium highlight to highlight my nose. I'm gonna use the deep highlight as my blush since this is an orange shade. I can never use this to highlight my face. I mean, it's orange. I don't want to look like a pumpkin. But this is a nice blush color. First time I reviewed this product, I used the deep highlight as my blush. And it works wonders. I'm gonna curl my lashes, skip the shimmery shadow, then apply mascara. I'm not even going to apply eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. This mascara is nice since it really holds your curls all day. Some mascaras, no matter how good your eyelash curler is or no matter how long you curl your lashes, it's going to droop down if you use the wrong mascara. This one is super affordable, so I think this is only $129 or $109. Yeah, $199. For my lower lashes, I use a mascara that's not waterproof, so it's easier to remove. You know what? I think I'm not gonna apply anything on my lips anymore. I think I'm happy with this. I'm just using this lip tint from Romantic Bear in the shade 03. Yeah, so that's it. I just added tint on my lips so it doesn't look super dull. But this is the finished makeup look. Very natural. I do different versions of a natural makeup look. Like I said, sometimes I do this with eyeliner, sometimes without eyeshadow but with liner, so it really depends. But for today, this is what I'm feeling. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or if you have any video requests you have in mind, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time.